Hey everyone, welcome back to the another video of Engineers Academy. So guys, in this total quality management playlist, we are going to talk about the another new topic which is known as the lean manufacturing. In our previous videos, we have seen the tools for lean manufacturing, which is nothing but the 5S or else Kaizen. So in this video, we are going to talk about the lean manufacturing process. We'll see why we need lean manufacturing, what are the advantages of lean manufacturing process. So guys, please watch my video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my education channel yet, please do it now and press the bell icon. So guys, without wasting any time, let's begin with today's topic of lean manufacturing. So basically, lean manufacturing is the production technique which improves the productivity, increases the profit, increases the efficiency of the workflow of your processes, certain processes, and reduces and minimizes the wastage and minimizes the time consumption basically. So guys, this particular lean manufacturing is initially oriented in Japan, and it is initially used in Toyota production system basically. So what is lean in lean manufacturing? So lean means like lean is the word which is typically used for the muscle or in the bodybuilder's case. So this person is very lean. So what is the actual meaning of the lean? Suppose if that person is fatty, and on the other hand the second person is having muscular. So muscle is the actual requirement of us, and the fat is nothing but the waste. So guys, we just reduce fat and to gain the muscle. So that is nothing but the leaning. So that is nothing but the lean. So basically my actual requirement is the muscles, and fat is the wastage for me. So the same happens in the case of the manufacturing industries. There are the certain wastage in terms of the product, in terms of the process which gets occurred in the production system. So we have to minimize that particular wastage or NVA activities, to be precise. So this wastage is nothing but the non-value adding activities which does not add any value in the product, or which does not add any value in a process basically. So these are nothing but the non-value adding activities. So this lean manufacturing tells us to eliminate these non-value adding activities to increase the final value of the product, or to give the value to the customer basically. So this particular lean manufacturing is nothing but the reduction in wastage. As we all know, the market is very competitive right now. The customer wants a higher amount of value at a lesser cost. So basically the customer wants high value in less cost. So that's why there is a pressure on the production systems. So how will they produce a particular certain product which is having a good value, which is having a less cost and better performance. So that's why there is a certain pressure on the production systems. Along with, there are also certain competitors in the market. So we have to stand those competitions. We have to develop a good product with a lesser cost and high performance, and give a value to the customers. So that's why most of the manufacturing companies, there are two options for the manufacturing industries. The first one is the increases number of the workers, increases the machines, or increases the man hours. So this is the first option for companies. The second option is what kind of resources you have to make it like an optimum use. There is no increase in the man hours, there is no another extra machine is added in the production line. So this is the second option. So lean manufacturing says that you have to choose the second path, and you have to carry out the optimal production in this second case with the same amount of number of workers, with the same amount of number of machines, with the same amount of time. You have to make it like effective utilization of the resources what you have. So this is the lean manufacturing technique. So why do we need lean manufacturing? So basically, let's take an example. Suppose if I am a manufacturer, I do make a particular product which is having the raw material costing of 30 rupees, and 20 rupees is my margin, and I will sell that particular product at 50 rupees. Customer is taking my that 50 rupees product because the customer sees that this particular product has a value, so it has a good performance, it has a good value. Basically, suppose my competitor, they manufacture the same product at 40 rupees. So like the customer will go to that my competitor and he'll get that product from my competitor itself. So ultimately I'm losing my customers over here in this case. So I have to reduce the manufacturing cost in order to make the same amount of the profit. So I need to reduce my raw material costing over here in this case. So that's why, how can we reduce the costing? So over here in the first case, like my raw material is like 30 rupees, 20 rupees is my margin, and I'll sell that my product at 50 rupees. So that was the initial case. But in the second stage, when my competitor rises, in the second case, the price is driven by the market over here. So in that competitive market, the price is given by the market itself, and I need to match those particular prices. So that's why in production system, what kind of the resources I have, I need to make an effective utilization of those resources. So lean manufacturing says that you have to eliminate the non-value adding activities in a production system to make it like to match with this particular production cost, to match with the market cost, so that your profit will get increases, so that the profit will get increases, you will get a high productivity, higher efficiency, and at a low wastage. So basically this is the lean manufacturing, and this is the actual requirement of the lean manufacturing. So how can we implement lean manufacturing in my organization? So guys, as we have seen in our previous videos, there are certain tools such as the 5S implementation, such as the Kaizen, which is known as the continuous improvement, such as the Poka-yoke, that is nothing but the mistake proofing. So we'll see this Poka-yoke in later stage. Also there are FMEAs, that is the failure mode effect analysis. Also there are Ishikawa diagram. Also there are the time study, process flow arrangement. So these are the certain tools. Apart from this, there are over here you can see these are the tools which is used in organization to implement this lean manufacturing system. So guys, I hope you understood this particular lean manufacturing system. So guys, if you like my video, please hit like, and guys, don't forget to watch every video of Engineers Academy, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my educational channel, Engineers Academy. So